Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for yet another Love Bite. So Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aqua, if you're new here, do join us as well. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius. Oh my God, why Aquarius? 10 of Swords, center of my spread. Then I have the 9 of Cups as well. And the Page of Cups. All right. So underlying energy, bottom of my deck, is the Queen of Pentacles, Aquarius. Now this is a wonderful queen. This is the spouse. This is the perfect spouse. This is the kind of person who anyone would love to have in their life as their life partner. So this could be a family situation from what I see, the 10 of Pentacles. But there's been a lack of investment maybe by this Queen of Pentacles partner. Somebody who's not putting in the work to keep this relationship going. There is a possibility that somebody is now looking out into their future to see if maybe something else is out there and is planning to walk away from a committed connection. Feeling all is over, all is done, feeling betrayed and wanting to find happiness for themselves. So Aquarius, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, and let's see what, if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we clarify these cards. Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Aquarius and their person, if they could say something to each other now. And let's take a few from here. Aquarius and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Aquarius and their person. One more. And I'll take one or two more from here, Aquarius. All right, good to go. Aquarius, let's see what's going on here. The first card here says, the ball is in your court now, as I've done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We're at a standstill now until you come forward with your feelings and put the wheels into motion. So something has happened here, and I think there's a lack of apology, or somebody hasn't even come forward to say sorry, I think. So I think this is the Queen of Pentacles saying that, hey, I've done whatever I could. Ball is in your court now. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmics that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are you wasting time for? Feeling one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another one being with you kills me. Darling, you are mine. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. You're all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. I didn't think it was possible to feel this much. Thoughts of you fill my head. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my existence, haunt my very existence. I'm working through issues with my family. Thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. So Aquarius, if this is your story, if you're resonating with these cards, then let's start your reading. Let's see. Let's start with an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading. Then we start clarifying these cards. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. There is a message for you here, Aquarius, saying you need to take care of yourself. There's a lot of healing that's required. Just be a bit careful of your health. Eat well, sleep well. Don't take too much stress. Maybe your emotional health is in jeopardy. Maybe your physical, I don't know, but I did see not just the healthful card, but also the healing card. So please don't get over stressed out. This kind of energy does kind of bog you down. When it hits you emotionally, sometimes your body starts reacting as well. So just be very mindful of your health at this time. All right, so 10 of Pentacles, Spirit, and the 7 of Pentacles in reverse. 10 of Pentacles and the 7 of Pentacles in reverse. This could be a marriage. This could be or maybe seems like a marriage because you guys have known each other for a very long time. Like maybe a decade or more. And maybe somebody has not been putting in effort lately. There is a lack of feeling that this can grow anywhere now, even though this seemed like a beautiful friendship, beautiful partnership, soulmate connection. But somebody is now thinking, is it really worth it? I mean, is it worth investing anything more? Is there anything stable? Yes, I do see a Queen of Swords here who's kind of asking these questions now. Is it the end now? Or will this ever change? Somebody is healing from whatever's happened here. Something has gone down here which is making this Queen of Pentacles become the Queen of Swords now, to kind of question, is it time to put this to an end? 3 of Wands, 3 of Wands, 3 of Wands. I think this Queen of Swords is sorting their head out. They want to come out of this confusion. On one hand, yes, this seems like a solid, committed partnership, but they also feel that, my person keeps breaking promises. They have hurt me, they promise me things. I am not getting what was promised to me. Is it time for me to step away and maybe see, go into the future and see maybe there's something else beyond this, because my present person doesn't live up to any of their promises. Yes, I think this Queen of Pentacles is deciding it's better to walk away now, no longer keep fighting for a connection, because they want to move towards being happy in their own life. Right now, they feel betrayed, they feel unhappy, they feel this is the end. Nothing can ever kind of get rectified here. And yes, emotionally very drained out and unhappy. They do want to see this. They're feeling like this, but this is what they want. 9 of Cups in reverse is emotionally drained out. This Queen of Pentacles wants to be happy. They want their 9 Cups upright and not drained out all the time. So 9 of Cups upright, Spirit, what's that? Maybe something very shocking was revealed. Something very shocking. They thought they were happy. But there was a tower moment here, some shocking news, maybe about a third party or something, which kind of totally stressed somebody out here big time. They couldn't handle whatever tower. Maybe some news. What was this 3 of Cups, Spirit? What was this 3 of Cups? Secrets about a third party, most probably. So 9 of Pentacles in reverse. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. and the Hermit in reverse. I think the person is now okay, and Page of Cups. Somebody is feeling very foolish about it. Now they've realized, I think this is the Queen of Pentacles partner, who's now recognizing that, oh my God, I don't want my person to leave. I don't want to be alone. Right now, I don't think there's any much communication between the two of you, or even if there is, this person is now kind of making a decision that I don't want any third parties. They're kind of feeling bad that they've made some very foolish and unwise decision. They feel they made a very, very unwise decision, and they're realizing why their stability is now rocked. Their Four of Wands is now in jeopardy. They know they need to make a decision, firm decision, choose one before they can return back to even apologize now. So, one spirit for the Page of Cups in reverse. Yeah, right now hearts are big time broken, and a lot of sadness and depression and feeling rejected, all that is going on. This person knows that they've caused hearts to break. Right now, I don't think they know how to even apologize. They know they need to make a firm decision before they can even come back and try and get their person back, because things have disrupted big time. They are feeling bad. They kind of lost somebody very, very special to them. Went the wrong direction. Now feeling left out, abandoned, or abandoned their person. Karma. All right. So Aquarius, I hope this is not everybody's story, but yes, this week somebody has to make a decision, before a firm decision, and not kind of say, I'm being pulled in two different directions or anything like that. They know that all their unwise decisions has created this beautiful Four of Wands, their stability to be rocked. They know they have to make this decision before they can even attempt an apology or attempt a comeback or something like that. Till then, whoever is the hurt party here, the one who's been through this Tower moment, I think it's imperative for you to kind of take care of your health and mind, body and soul. You're not the cause, you're not the cure. Okay? Let this person figure out, and this too shall pass. That's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.